Hello everybody. In this lesson, we are going to look at pivot table, style and some of the styling options. So this is the pivot table I have created from the data. What I have done, I have dragged genre and language to here to the rows and column. It is color and black and white. And this is the values, that is the sum of gross revenue. Okay. So now suppose we want to apply some of the styling options to pivot table. How we can do it? You can see under design tab you have a lot of options. Here it has been written pivot table styles. You can see, you can explore. Here is customs. Okay. Suppose you want to customize, you can also do. This is something light color, this is medium color, and this is also dark color. You can see. So this is a change that we are making here. Suppose we want to change it little medium, we can also do, and some you can also change it to some dark color. Okay, you can also make it. Okay, and suppose you have some customized color. Suppose your company prefers some of the customized colors, and you can also create your own customized styling. So new pivot table, you see where you want to apply it is to, you want to apply to whole table, report filter label, or fast column stripes and fast row stripes and so on. Okay, so accordingly you can select and then you can go for format. Okay, under format you are getting this font, border and fill. Okay, which font you want, accordingly you can also change. Here is the border, you can see this is the border and this is the fill, the color that you want to select. Okay, accordingly you can also bring out the change. Okay, suppose you do not want anything, any of the that styling options, you can clear all these things. Okay, yeah, let us for the time being, let us create one, like let us this is the one I have done. Okay, so let us see some of the important pivot tile styling options we have here. What does it mean? You can see, so here you can see the difference, what difference that you can make when you select this. So this is the row header, you can see there is a change here. You can see you want row header, you can select. Okay, suppose you want column headers, you can also select like this. Okay, this color you can also change. Okay, suppose you want to add branded row, you can see the grid line is coming here, you can see branded row. And suppose you want to add branded columns, you can also select this. Okay, so this is a change you can make according to your choices, you can make. Okay, so then you have like blank row, so insert blank line after each items. Okay, suppose you want a break here. Okay, you insert a blank line, you can see there is a blank line has been created, you see. Okay, suppose you want this, you can also use it. Suppose you do not want this, remove the blank line. Okay, this is the change that you can make out. Here is the report layout. We have seen this compact form, outline form and tabular form earlier. Now suppose you want to repeat all items label. This is the item labels. Okay, here one time it has been written, you want to repeat it. Okay, repeat all items. Here you can see it is repeating. What you need to do, you have to put, you have to select the cell here in the photo column and you can also select this. Okay, suppose you do not want to repeat, you can simple, you can once again you can remove this. Then we have the grand total, you can see. Suppose we want to write the total, grand total here in the column, in the column itself or in the row itself. Okay, you want to see this, what you can do, you can make a grand total only for the rows. Okay, you are getting the grand total for the rows. Suppose you do not want for the rows, you want for the column. Okay, you can also, you can see at the below you are getting here. Okay, you are getting the column total. Okay, Similarly, suppose you want both. You want both. So you can also on for rows and column. Both side you can also, you can see this the total you are getting. Okay. Row, for the row you are getting, and for the column you are also getting here. Okay. You are getting here for the column. Okay. Suppose you do not want this. What you need to do is select this grand total of for row and column. This will be deleted automatically. Okay. Let us keep it for now. Then we have the subtotal. You can see the change. You want the subtotal. Subtotal means, suppose for the actions, what is the total? Okay. What is the total you want to write here? These are the individuals, like here for each language and genre we are getting the grand total here, but we want the subtotal for the genre. How can we get? So here we can select, then design, then subtotal. We have a lot of options. Don't show subtotals and show all subtotals at the bottom of the group, bottom or the top of the group. Okay, you see bottom of the group. You can see you are getting here the action total. You are getting at the bottom of the group. This is the row. New row has been created for this. So this is how you can apply styling options. Okay, that's for the lesson. See you in the next one.